Hey there, scrapper people. We have another one of these LBN receivers off of one of the satellite systems. We want to take this apart, see what we can find out of this one. It's a different one. We got 3 pounds and 0.4 ounces, and we'll call that dirty aluminum as it sits. So we're going to get this apart and see what all's in it and see what we can get out of it. So stay tuned and let's get it done. This is also another one of those dish satellite systems. Fished it out of the garbage. So we will see what we can get out of it. Hopefully there's some nice gold in this. I don't want to turn. I have to get it from inside maybe. Those are magnetic, so they're not stainless. Moment of truth. Let's see what we got. We got a diaper. Keep everything nice and dry. That's a piece of sheet aluminum. Like some boards in here. Well, these suckers are stiff. this apart. Maybe it's got screws on the other side. Does. Now let's try something here. See if this works any better. Oh yeah. Much better. That's some cast aluminum there. Like this board is stuck to this aluminum piece. Let's see if we can get that off. I have to get that off. Don't look like there's nothing up in there. You can see right through it. That fell out. That's just a chunk of cast aluminum. But look at that board. Lots of gold in that board. Lots and lots of gold. Oh wow, look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's definitely got gold on it. Really nice board right there. Rest is getting this cleaned up. I'll get this cleaned up. We'll come back and weigh everything out and see what we got. So stay tuned. And we are back, scrapper people. As you see, it is zeroed. Our steel shred, which is the screws. The screws is 1 ounce even for the steel screws. Now we did get some stainless. There were 4 stainless, and they don't add up to nothing. Our little bit of brass, it also doesn't weigh to nothing. Our aluminum sheet is 2.3 ounces for aluminum sheet. The heavy one, the cast aluminum, clean cast aluminum, is 2 pounds, 7.2 ounces. That is heavy by itself. And for our 2 boards, this is definitely a peripheral high grade. I'm not sure, it might even be more than that with all the gold. But it is 1.5 ounces by itself. I will check into it and see what it might be considered as. And if it's different, I'll let you know. And this board here is the same way. I'm not sure what it would be considered as. 0.3 ounces for it. But I'm not sure what it'd be considered as. So I'll check into it and then we'll see. And for the diaper, 0.4 ounces for the diaper. So that was everything out of that LBN. Really nice one. Really, really nice. If you see them in the trash or junk, pick them up, because that has a lot of gold, especially if you're in the gold recovery. That there is a lot of gold. Really nice. So I hope you like. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll be finding more stuff, and we'll be tearing it apart and seeing what it's worth. So I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and do the thumbs up. I'm going to keep them coming for you, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya. Bye.